Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can create an image using Adobe Firefly. For instance, if you'd like to use the artificial intelligence on Firefly to create photos like that one here, for instance. So let us guide you through this. So guys, in the first step you will need to navigate to adobe.com, to the home section. Make sure that you're logged into your Adobe account, and if that's the first time you're using Firefly, you may search for it here in the search bar and look for Firefly as an application, or navigate to this section here and look for it there. Now, once it has been added to your, or once you have started it, it will be added to the list of Adobe apps here. So you may navigate to it, and on the left hand side, start by clicking into plus new. Select image, for example, or video. I will go with image, and you may, for instance, create an image like this. So what you want to do is click into image here, and you will see the prompt or text field here at the bottom. So I used, for instance, one that made Adobe Firefly create an image like this, depicting a cat in a photorealistic style eating ramen from a ramen bowl with the Mount Fuji in the background, some sakura trees. So it's pretty beautiful, right? So in my opinion, so what you want to do is enter your prompt here, describe it, and what you want to do is, once you have entered your prompt, you may edit it, of course, is click into generate here, or you may start a new one by clicking into this button here, and after that you will be redirected to the generate tab here at the top. So here you will see the history of your prompt. So as you can see, that's my prompt. And once it has been created, you will see the version here. As you can see, Firefly creates or generates only one version. And you can, for instance, navigate to your gallery then, or edit it, the given image, or ask the artificial intelligence here at the bottom to use a different prompt, change your prompt, add various changes to it, and so on and so forth, guys. And that's how it works. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.